Let's now take the final step in our journey from a place like this to this Lucan Islamic Community Centre and Mosque, a project of South Dublin Maktab, an Irish registered charitable community welfare organization. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The one who builds a masjid for the pleasure of Allah, Allah would build a house for him in paradise." The LICC project consists of building a purpose-built community center and masjid, which contains a reception, welcome area, ablution facilities, large prayer hall, prayer gallery with separate access, library with reading area, medical health center with emergency first aid facility, cafeteria with dining, multi-purpose events hall, madrasa classrooms, imam, teacher, staff offices, accommodation, market area, children playing area, underground parking, mortuary with janaza preparation facility, and facilities for some of the social and sports activities. LICC Masjid would be a place of worship, a spring of spirituality, a fountain of knowledge, and a center for many of the healthy community activities. South Dublin Maktab invites everyone to come and have a share in this noble cause. Donate to sponsor a part of masjid, a service of masjid, a room of masjid, a wall of masjid, or even a brick of masjid. In another narration, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever builds a masjid for the sake of Allah, like a sparrow's nest or even smaller, Allah will build for him a house in paradise." Come and have a share in building this masjid. Come and build a house in Jannah for yourself, your parents, your family, and your loved ones. Let there be no one left out of participating in this noble cause and great opportunity. To get further details, to know the various donating options, and to find links for making secure online donations, please visit maktab.ie website, maktab.ie. It is also important to note that charitable status of South Dublin Maktab is recognized by several national and international financial institutions, including Bank of Ireland, PayPal Giving Fund, Stripe Payments, and Facebook charity fundraisers and donations. Furthermore, South Dublin Maktab financial accounts are thoroughly audited on regular basis. Therefore, you can donate for LICC Masjid project with a complete peace of mind. May Allah accept your donations and make them sadaqah jariyah for you and your loved ones.